Hello everyone. Now we'll be studying about the next topic, that is cancer. So everyone has heard about this dreadful disease that occurs in human beings. So it may be defined as a malignant growth. Malignant growth, that is the continuous growth in our body. As you know, the cells keep on dividing, but few cells die and few new cells grow up. That means new cells divide. So that means the number almost remains the same. But when there is no death of cells but new cells are continuously growing, that results in cancer. So that occurs due to there is unlimited and uncontrolled mitotic division of certain cells that not only are present in that particular area but invades the surrounding tissues. So cancer commonly originates in the tissues in which the cells are regularly replaced by mitosis. So that occurs in those tissues where the cells are regularly mitosis is, as you know, it is an equational division. When a cell divides into two and there is an equational division, but when there is uncontrolled and unlimited growth of the cells, that results in cancer. These tissues, so what are these tissues that have mitotic division? That includes skin, lining of our digestive tract. Lining of digestive tract means anything that is included in a digestive tract. So let it be your food pipe, that is esophagus, be your stomach, pancreas. So cancer can occur in any of the organ that is involved in digestion, because in the lining of digestive tract, the entire tract, these cells, the cells, they have mitotic division. Reproductive organs, lungs and liver. So cancer occurs in these regions because these the cells underlying these regions have mitotic division. So cancer cells infiltrate and destroy adjacent tissues. So that is very important that they infiltrate and destroy the neighboring tissues. Eventually they gain access to the circulatory system, and then when they gain access to the circulatory system, circulatory means circulation, so they are transported to distant parts of the body. So sometimes when the cancer cells affect just the food pipe, and then when they gain access to the circulatory system, they are transported to the entire body. So that is very dreadful and ultimately destroys the entire host. So now we'll discuss about the definition of tumor. So abnormal growth resulting due to uncontrolled growth is called as, so when there is abnormal growth, that is uncontrolled or unlimited growth, that results in tumor. So tumors are also called as neoplasm, meaning new growth. Neoplasm, there is new growth of a mass of abnormal tissues that arise without obvious cause from pre-existing. So they are not present in our body cells, they are not from pre-existing body cells, has no, and of course they don't have any purposeful function in our body, and are characterized by autonomous and unstrained growth. That is, they have a unique different pattern of growth that is not that doesn't happens in our normal cells. So basically there are two types. One is benign, that is non-cancerous, and the other is malignant. So there are two types of tumors, benign tumor and the malignant. So first of all, we'll be studying about the benign tumor. They consist of an orderly growth of cells that often are identical to or are very closely they resemble to the normal counterparts. So these are those that resemble or are very identical to our normal tissues. They are not aggressive. So always remember that they are not aggressive and do not invade. So that is the most important point. They do not invade the surrounding cells or the surrounding tissues. They are localized, so that is why they are called as benign, and they are non-cancerous because they are present in that particular area, and they do not spread from one region to the other. Then comes malignant. This is very dreadful. So when the tumors do not remain confined to the site of origin, like where the tumor has begun, so when the cells don't remain at the site of origin and they spread to other parts of the body and invade new tissues to form secondary. That was the first primary cancer, and this results in secondary cancer, and this invasion is called as metastasis. This is a very important definition. You can be asked what is metastasis. That is invasion of cancerous cells from the region of the origin to other parts of the body, like to different tissues, new tissues. That invasion is called as metastasis. The cancerous cells are carried to the secondary organs. So how are they carried? So that is, they are carried by circulating blood or lymph. So there are two liquids that circulate in a body. One is blood, or they carry them, or the limbs carry the these tumors. So in short, we'll be studying about the differences between the benign and the malignant tumor. So benign, they grow slowly throughout, and these grow first slowly and then rapidly. Then the cells remain enclosed within the connective tissue. So they remain enclosed, they are not enclosed in the connective tissue. They remain, this is very important point, they remain confined to the site of origin, whereas malignant do not remain confined to the site of origin, but they extend up to the neighboring tissues. Next, they keep enlarging in size and may cause discomfort, pain, and affect other organs due to increased size, but their effect is not lethal. So that may result in they keep in that means there is an increase in size, but they may cause a little discomfort, pain, but they are not, always remember that they are not lethal, they are not deadly. But these malignant, they do not remain confined to the site of origin, so they are carried by blood or lymph to other parts of the body, that is metastasis. They are obviously non-cancerous, and the other one are cancerous.